Not only is Urban KC1 the biggest installation we have designed and installed in the US, but it is also home to one of our biggest LTS teams that we have here in the US as well.
TGW is really from beginning to end. We helped plan the building, we manufactured the equipment here, we designed it, we installed it, we brought it up until it went live, and now our team is on board helping the Urban team run the facility. So that team works 24/7 doing all the maintenance here, all the preventive maintenance, anything from spare parts to when something breaks. And that team helps the Urban team stay at 98% availability every single day.
The investments that Urban and other companies are now making into automation is impressive, but it's our job as Lifetime Services to ensure that the return on investment is protected through long-term services provided by ourselves.
Having an on-site team has been very beneficial so far. Like any launch, there were some hiccups along the way, but having TGW's expertise here on site helped work through those initial launch problems and has continued to be a great partner today.
The goal of an on-site LTS team is to add value to our customers' business, but do it in a way that promotes a culture where our own teammates can thrive and be friends with each other. One of the things I'm most proud of is our skilled technicians. No matter what challenges they're faced with, they always come out with the correct solutions. When you're dealing with projects of this size, that becomes a huge advantage to the customer.
We use data every day from the system to see where the weaknesses and shortfalls are, and we use that to put plans in place to ensure that we can sustain the operations for the customer. We ensure that through the command centre of the site, we have our own people working with Urban's people, and we literally call ourselves one team working together. We call out operational issues during the day and we work together on solving those issues. And in the end, that's what it's all about, the customer getting the best service from our department.